So welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is IIIF150 Air 2 Ultra, and in this video I am going to show you how to enable Google Assistant on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open our settings, then we have to scroll down and find Google option. Here we have to click on all services, search assistant and voice, and right here we have to choose Google Assistant. Now we are in the Google Assistant settings where we have to scroll down and find general option. And all we have to do right here is just click on this button and then click turn on. And that's it. That's how you enable Google Assistant. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!